Welcome to our channel, fellow enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of digital marketing. I've been in this field for a decade now, and trust me, the journey has been nothing short of incredible. So, grab your favorite beverage and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. First things first, what is digital marketing? Well, it's the art of reaching and engaging with your audience through digital channels like social media, search engines, email, and websites. You see, the internet has become an integral part of our lives, and businesses have recognized its potential to connect with customers like never before. Over the past decade, digital marketing has witnessed explosive growth, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Businesses of all sizes are embracing its power to skyrocket their brand awareness, reach new markets, and ultimately boost sales. Digital marketing is like having billboards all over the internet. But here's the beauty of it. You can choose exactly who sees those billboards based on their interests, demographics, and online behavior. One of the pillars of digital marketing is search engine optimization, or SEO. It's all about optimizing your website and content to appear higher in search engine results. This means that when someone searches for a product or service you offer, your business can pop up right at the top. Social media marketing is another powerful tool. With billions of people active on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, businesses can precisely target their ideal customers and create engaging content to capture their attention. Mobile marketing is an absolute game changer. Nowadays, everyone's glued to their smartphones, and businesses can leverage this by creating mobile-friendly ads and apps to cater to their on-the-go audience. And let's not forget about email marketing. Contrary to what some might think, email marketing is still very much alive and kicking. It allows businesses to nurture relationships with their customers, share valuable content, and even offer exclusive deals. Now you might be wondering, how do we measure all of this? Analytics is the answer. Digital marketing provides heaps of data and insights to measure performance, understand customer behavior, and fine-tune your strategies for better results. The best part is that digital marketing is not just for the big players. Even small businesses and startups can compete on a level playing field with creative and well-targeted campaigns. So, my fellow marketers and entrepreneurs, whether you're just starting or have been in the game for a while, embracing digital marketing is the key to unlocking unparalleled growth and success. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the fascinating world of digital marketing. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and remember to ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, keep marketing, growing, and conquering the digital realm.